Hi everyone, this is Lucy and I'm here to show you how to set up your profile. How cool is that? Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is bring up the slideshow and show you that the actions, let me see. Okay, so we're going to talk about the setups, and the first one is to log into BeeKonnected. Put in your email and its password. That will take you to the dashboard. And so the way that you set up your profile is you go to the very last button, navigation button that you click on, then you click on profile information. That will bring up another drop down menu, and you're going to click on all about me. And so when you do that, you will see that this is where you are going to select and upload your profile picture. Okay, so before you set up your profile, you need to make sure that you have a picture that you are going to want to upload on your profile. So get that ready, and you simply click the select button and choose your photo and fill in all the information to the left. And what you must do also is you also need to go back to the profile button and click on it again, and then the drop down menu will come up, and you will click on the KG, which is the connector generator, because the connector generator will ask you also to to fill out all that information. Now you have to be really careful about filling out that information, because you want to attract your ideal clients. And in doing that, then you need to make sure that your profile is set up with the correct information, so that connection generator does send you the right people. That is all that you need to do to set up your profile. Hope this helps, and I'll see you soon in another video.